Hello, my people. How na dey? I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Who say una dey fine? Now do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. I appreciate una well, well. My people, this video I go put the full video. Make una lis ten to this our brother. He say he see TV Joshua say send a message. You no only see I say send a message, say this thing don dey disturb am for mind since. He no know wetin he wan do. He no be person wey dey do social media or who dey do live video. So the thing come dey bother am for mind. He no know as he wan take talk am come out. Na he come out, so he come talk am say the message wey he send am, say because as he no fit talk am, the thing dey worry am. Say TV Joshua tell am say make go tell the people say where him for stop, make dem continue for there, make dem no cry for am. Say him dey happy, say him dey for him father house. Say make dem no worry at all, make dem no dey cry. Say make dem just dey happy. Say him dey okay. No need for dem, no need wey dem go dey cry for am. He talk many things about am. This one go be true abi na lie? Only God know. Because now no say all this one no be small thing wey person, nothing wey person no go hear. Normally sometimes e dey happen like that but I no be say I can't talk say maybe na lie or truth, because we don hear many things about TV Joshua since when the man bear RIP. Many people dey run come out, dey talk different things. Only God know which one can be truth, which one can be lie. So this one now say he send a message and he wan deliver the message. He must deliver am. Say since where the message dey in mind, he no fit sleep, he no fit eat. My people, make I put the video, una still watch am, una hear wetin him get to talk. So na so I see am, my brothers and sisters. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share am. Una bye bye.
Good morning, the whole world. Good morning, everyone. My name is Okorenu Destiny. I have a message from a great man of God. The message is like this. When June 18, TV Joshua appeared to me in my dream. We are in a crowd of people, like we want to go and bury someone. I hear a voice. The voice now said, "My son." And I look at my back. I saw a TV Joshua, Prophet TV Joshua, the great man of God. He now appeared to me. He said, "My son, tell my people not to cry. Tell my people they should love themselves. Tell my people to unite. Tell them to love themselves. The important thing, tell them to continue for where I stop." I say, tell them that I'm with my father. I'm happy with my father. Tell them not to cry. Tell them to love themselves. Tell them to unite. Tell them to continue for where I stop. He said, look at me. I really look at him. He's dancing with, he said, I'm dancing with my father in shaky bodies like this. He just show a half picture to me. This guy come close to me. This sky come close to the ground. If I jump up, I can see the sky. I can touch the sky. TV Joshua is inside the sky. He's dancing. He say, I'm dancing with my father. I really look at TV Joshua very well. I see white ink is sitting TV Joshua back. The thing they look like angel. They are shaky body the way TV Joshua shaky body. I say, he say, I'm happy with my father. Go and tell my people not to cry. Tell them they should love themselves. Tell them to continue for where I stop. Before I wake up, before TV Joshua go, before I wake up, the last thing he said, go and tell them to continue for where I stop. And I wake up. I said, God, what is this? God, please. And I kneel down, I pray to God. I say, God, this thing I see, please show me so that I can explain it to the world according to the message. The moment I kneel down, pray the prayer, the voice now really come to me. I started hear the voice. My son, tell my people not to cry. Tell my people to love themselves. Tell them to unite. Tell them to continue for where I stop. The voice now started coming to my ear. I say, what is this? How can I explain this to the world? I never come to social media, never come to Facebook one day and talk about myself. How can I talk about a great man of God like this? I started complaining. When I'm complaining, a voice now come to me. He said, go and look for so-so. Go and explain your message to so-so man of God. In Eboma. I'm from Edo State. Apostle Prince. Ivare Bore, Abisomti, I don't know what is the full name. He said, go and look for him and explain the message to him. He will know what to do. I say, okay. Then I now really call different people to let me to search for the pastor's number so that I can call him and explain to him. One of my friends gave me the church number. I called the church. A lady now picked the call. He said that I explained to the lady I want to talk to the man of God. The lady said that I cannot talk to the man of God direct. I can be their partner. I connect to their Zoom. They will connect me to their Zoom. I can talk to the man of God through there. I say, okay. How can I do it? He now send me everything. I really do what he wants me to do. I do everything. Then, ever since, they did not connect me into the partner. They did not connect me to the group call. I didn't see any message from them. I write them, they didn't reply me. And I say, okay, I forgot. Every night, anytime I sleep, I always dream about TB Joshua. I dream different kind of dream. This yesterday night, June 22, I see angel come to me. He pour a spit into my face. The angel, I kneel down and I say, the moment he poured spirit into my face, I say, I will confess, I will confess, I will confess. TB Joshua sent me a message. I didn't deliver the message. I will confess. Why I did not talk the matter ever since? Nobody will believe me. Nobody will believe me. That's why I keep quiet ever since. But I'll be passing through temptation. Because of TB Joshua, the message he has sent me. I see different temptation. When I walk like I talk like a madman in the street. I don't know what to do because I'm never come to Facebook and talk about myself one day. And not really, the moment I tell the angel I will confess, the angel now say, the angel now just go, he now leave me. In the same night, on my way going little road, I walk on a little road. I see the angel block the road. The angel block the road and I bring out my knife. I bring out my knife. I say, if you come close to me, I will kill you. I say, I will kill you. The angel block my way. Say, I can't pass here. I say, I will pass. If you come close to me, I will kill you. The moment I say I will kill the angel, I now wake up. I pray to God. I say, God, why? What is this? Please, I'm passing through temptation since June 18. I'm be passing through temptation. Please, TB Joshua, I beg you in the name of God. I'm on my knee. Please. If I offended you, please forgive me. God, have mercy on me. I will deliver the message now. Please. God, help me. I don't want anything to happen to me. I dream, I see myself in Nigeria because I don't deliver TB Joshua message. I go to Nigeria, I start from square one. I'm nothing somebody. I start from square one because I didn't deliver TB Joshua message. God bring me to square one. I'm in nothing. I don't know what to do. The world, please help me share this video. I don't have a YouTube channel. I don't want anybody to subscribe. Please, please, I beg you in the name of God, help me to share this video. I'm very serious. Please, I know what I'm passing through. I know what I'm passing through. Please, help me to share this video. TB Joshua, I will share this video now for the message you send me. Please, I want to share the video because I tried to reach the pastor you sent me to deliver the message to. The pastor, I couldn't reach the pastor. The member say I cannot speak to the pastor direct. Please, TB Joshua, I beg you in the name of God, help me. I don't want anything to happen to me. I don't want anything to happen to me. Please, please, help me. The whole world, help me to share this video. Please. I'm into temptation. I don't know what to do. I'll never come to Facebook one day. I talk about myself. Talking about TB Joshua. That's why I did not deliver the message ever since on Facebook. Please, I beg you people, because if I'm walking on the road, I talk like a madman. I repeat what TB Joshua sent me. I should go and deliver the message. AJ come to me, they say if I did not deliver the message, man, I will not rest. I will not rest. Please, the world, I beg you. Help me to share this video. I don't want to subscribe. I don't have a YouTube channel. Please, I don't want the video to go viral. Please, I beg you in the name of God. I'm passing through temptation from TB Joshua with his angel. Please, I beg you. I don't want anything to happen to me. Every day I wake up, I tell my wife, see what I'm always passing through. Please, I beg you, TB Joshua, want to deliver the message so that I will have a soft mind. Please, TB Joshua, I beg you. I'm a Christian, but if I like, I go to church. If I don't like, I stay at home. Please, I don't want anything to happen to me. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, anybody that see this video, help me to share this video. Please, please. I don't know what to do. I'm never offend anybody. Please, TB Joshua, I will deliver the message as you send me the message. Please, please, I beg you in the name of God, forgive me. Anyway, I sin against you. People, share this video. When you share the video, God will bless you. God will promote you. Please help me to share this video, please. God bless you.